welcome to a new video on Bamboo Homestead. This week it's about time I'm going to show you what Max has done around the house and in the garden. And just behind me I just did a little boat, an elastic band powered boat. Stuur me naar mijn lucht drillen. Zo is het gangen. Wow!
Jij?
Wat? Here Max is saving some broccoli seeds. We think they're broccoli. Well, must be. Broccoli or Romanesco, which is similar. Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. Wat wijst toe? Was is das? Oh.
Rainbow. Yeah. Put it in there.
Today Max is cooking mashed potato with lots of veg from the garden, and actually the potatoes are also from the garden. Some have been eaten by something. Nein, nachher aber nicht mehr. The broccoli stealer. And yeah, then we're gonna have some sausages, which are not from the garden, but otherwise all from the garden. And here we bought some organic pineapples to put in our garden as well. And some extra eggs that we boiled for our chickens. Yummy! Een teig, die is fijn. Met visje in teig in de.
Going hunting the rats. Also the other side is probably hunting that frog.
Ganz so lang ist lang, hè? So schön. Ja, genau. Ganz wieder. Gehst du mal überspielen. My boys are trying to catch some fish for tonight's dinner.
Whoa, 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 there he goes. There's a fishy down there. Keep winding him in. Here he comes. Oh, you got him. Winding him. There he is. Oh, heavy one, isn't he? Lift it up. Oh, he's a heavy one. Hold him, hold him. You got him? Oh, it's hard, isn't it? It's heavy. Oh, that was a bigger one.
Yeah.
Corner. Check it out. Go. There's a fishy you caught. Another one.
Yeah.
What do you think? That's a brim, isn't it? Should we put him back? Do you want to touch him?
Strijkelen.
His scales. It's a bit wet. And if you go backwards on the scales? What do you think? Say goodbye, fishy. We'll put you back. Yeah?
Yeah.
Ready, ready? Swim away, fishy. There he goes.